In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. If this guide helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. So there are three main things that are really important in your LinkedIn profile. The first one is to have a picture of yourself as a profile picture, hopefully a picture that represents what you do. In this case, I'm in marketing, so I'm trying to showcase a little bit of creativity or maybe me thinking about a project with my computer and my Starbucks. You can just play around with this, but just make sure it's a picture that either represents what you do or your professional career. Then you also need to make sure that you create a banner. This is a really great opportunity to write down what you do. So maybe if you're into marketing or digital strategy, you can create a small banner using Canva that just reflects some of your skills or your expertise. This is great because whenever people go into your profile, this is going to be the first impression that they see. So they're going to know right away what it is that you do. And then lastly, you want to make sure that you have a headline. This is what is going to help your profile stand out whenever people search for a specific skill set that you have. So make sure that you add your skills, your expertise, or whatever it is that you want to highlight, because this is what's actually going to stand out whenever people search for that skill on LinkedIn. And after you have those three things ready to go, you can start making connections. Make sure that you start building around 100 to 200 connections so your profile seems more professional and reliable. And that's it. I hope this video helped you. And if you have any questions, please comment them down below. Bye.